Welcome to another episode of Omnisend's Daily Tip Series, where in roughly 3 minutes or less, we'll give you actionable tips and ways to improve your email and SMS marketing program and make you better marketers. Yesterday, I talked about the importance of adding SMS to your welcome series. Today, let's discuss the number of messages in your series and the timing of those messages. First, let's talk about the number of messages. Have as many as needed to build consumer confidence and help guide their shopping journey. By going back to value adds, product introductions, intent-driven messaging, and maybe an offer reminder email, my guess is that most brands will end up with either 3 or 4 messages. Just don't communicate more than you really need to. Second, let's talk about when to send those messages. While there's no hard and fast rule, I direct you back to the topic of intent. If the goal is to guide the customer to purchase, which is their implied intent, wouldn't it make sense to do that without delay? Here's my advice. Send message 1 immediately. This is especially important if you offer a discount for signing up, and then send each subsequent message 1 day apart. Once you start sending, you can monitor your email metrics and see if you need to build in a 1-day buffer. Ultimately, looking at your unsubscribe rates will give you an educated answer. Now, one word of note. While it might be reasonable to expect slightly higher unsubscribe rates for welcome series messages, as customers may sign up just to receive a discount or exploring your brand, a sharp and drastic increase will be your telltale sign that you may need to offer an off day in between messages. But personally, I don't think you will. So there you have it. Create as many messages as is necessary to guide the consumer down the initial path of purchase, likely 3 or 4, and send 1 message each day. It really is that easy. Now join me tomorrow where we're going to bring it all together and wrap up our 2 weeks worth of welcome series content. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of our marketing tip series. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions, and until next time, happy marketing.